palau. That's from Uzbekistan. So please do try at home and give me a feedback. Subscribe to my channel and like my video. Watch it to the end. Cheers! So this is the ingredient. So we have half a kg of rice, we have onions, we have carrot, we have chili, one potato, we have half kg of chicken, oil and yogurt. This is spices, so we're going to use all this. So let's start with the chopping. So heat the pan and add oil, a lot of oil. Add potatoes. Add our spices. So cook till it's brown. Add salt and pepper. So it's almost done now. So we're going to transfer this into paper. Onions now. Chilies. And we're going to put this full garlic in this. So now it's a little brown. So we're going to add chicken in this now. There we go carrot. Again black pepper and salt. So cook this for 15 minutes. Now it's time to add water. Then we're going to add curd in this. Again, little bit salt and pepper. Add bit of sugar for a taste. It's optional again. So we're going to take out the chicken out from this one by one. Then add our rice. So you can see it's cooking. You can see the color. It's come really nice. We're gonna let this cook for 5 more minutes. So we're gonna give a little bit of mix. So you can see it's ready now. We're gonna take it in a plate and show you how it looks. It looks really yum. Trust me, you have to try it. So we've taken this. Now we're gonna garnish this with potatoes. So you've seen my food. It looks really amazing. You definitely have to try this at home. and give me a feedback. Thanks for watching my video. Cheers.